Welcome to Richtech-Robotics' technical analysis. Richtech-Robotics holds a clean bullish stack, dips keep getting bought. The stock dropped 3.5% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is trading above all key exponential moving averages, indicating a strong and healthy long-term uptrend with solid short and mid-term momentum. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $7, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $7.43, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $8.99, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $2.09, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $1.07 and $1.08, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 81.8% from current levels before rebounding. In recent days, price has maintained strong upward momentum, staying above all trend indicators. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from November 21 to January 13 led to a price increase of approximately 270.3%. Long-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Price is advancing beyond prior highs. The 1.618 extension near 5.46 is in play, with the 2.618 extension around 7.99 as a farther target if momentum persists. Short-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is below average compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 55.6, while smoothed RSI is 58.3. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Richtech-Robotics, scored 5 out of 10. A weak setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is above all EMAs, long-term uptrend confirmed. Closest EMA is EMA 9 at $5.744, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $2.086 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A mid-term target stands near $7.000, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $8.990. Between mid-term and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $7.430. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $3.900, acting as support. Next Fibonacci level to watch is $7.994. Breakdown below regression channel, target is around $4.545. Top news for Richtech-Robotics. News 1, Weiss Ratings reaffirms sell, E+, rating for Richtech-Robotics, NASDAQ, RR, via market beat, on 55 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Richtech-Robotics. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.